So that was an excellent analysis. Let me ask you this question. What's the number one reason why someone would buy a lab-grown diamond?
I can't pinpoint what's number one,
Okay.
but I'll talk about some of the factors out there. Number one, ESG. With lab-grown diamond, you don't have to concern about child labor, blood diamond, pollution to ecosystem, to water tables. Those are some of the biggest concerns a lot of people have because it's just green, right? You can always authenticate how it's made. I mean, it's very unlikely that you need to kill a child to build a factory, right? Whereas I'm sure everyone would have watched The Blood Diamond,
yes,
and would have known a lot of how natural diamonds have fueled a lot of civil wars and warlords and a lot of unethical things being done. Second thing is like what we just talked about, financial planning. Lab-grown release a lot of financial resources for a couple, whether it's purchasing a house, having a more luxurious honeymoon, or even have a grander wedding. Those are always some of the factors that people look at. And one thing, the last thing that I think is always something that it's also crucial is that with the same amount of money, you're able to get a bigger, cleaner, or higher clarity, higher color, better cut diamond. And it looks exactly the same. Why not? I think it's also a realization of customer who suddenly wake up to the fact that, oh, well, they're exactly the same. So why am I purchasing something 10 times the price?
No, I think you're totally right. And as you mentioned before, unless you look at the GIA form, you have literally no idea to know, the size, the color, the clarity, and everything else. Before we go to our final questions, I have one kind of curiosity question is like,